Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to share a folder in Dropbox using your mobile phone. First, open the Dropbox app on your device and sign in. On the home screen, go to the folder you want to share. Next, tap the SDA. Three dots menu next to the folder. From the options that appear, select Share. A window will open where you can add the emails of the people you want to share the folder with. You can also adjust the permissions. Choose Can Edit if you want them to add or change files, or Can View if you just want them to look at the files. Once you've set the permissions, tap Share again. Dropbox will send them an invitation, and they'll get instant access to that folder. You can also copy a share link instead and paste it anywhere in an email, chat, or message, and that's it. You've now shared a folder in Dropbox directly from your mobile. For more tutorials just like this one, make sure to stay tuned.